Parashat Shavua, Parashat Besalach, we have many different issues. One of the famous issues is Parashat Manna, the story of the Manna. In the story of the Manna, in Parashat Manna, we find in the parasha itself many issues, and one of them, I think it's well known, that many halachot of Shabbat are learned from Parashat Manna, from the fact that during all the week they got a certain amount of man every day, what was necessary for them for every day, and on Friday, on the sixth day, they got a double amount, which was enough both for Friday and for Shabbat as well. So on Shabbat there was it wasn't necessary to go out and collect. They simply had what they collected on Friday, on the sixth day, and from this we learn many halachot of Shabbat. One of the psukim right at the beginning of the parasha, which teaches us some halachot of Shabbat from the parasha, is the following pasuk. The Torah says, "V'haya b'yom hashishi," so on the sixth day of the week, "Ve'echinu et asher yaviu," they will prepare what they collect. "V'haya mishneh," and will be double, "al asher ilketu yom yom," it will be double the amount that they collect every day. The simple meaning of the pasuk, the way we usually read it, is to mean that, as we said, on the sixth day, when they will go out to collect the man, they will find that they have collected double the regular amount. And then, so the normal amount they will eat on the sixth day, and what is left over they will prepare. There will be a special act of preparation for Shabbat, and that is what they will eat on Shabbat. From this we learn the halacha in general, that there's a special issue of preparing for Shabbat. We don't simply come into Shabbat and have whatever we happen to have in the refrigerator. We do many acts of preparation in order that Shabbat should be special, not just like a regular day, but even more than a regular day. So this we learn from this pasuk. Now, when we look at the pasuk closer, so we see it's not so simple. The pasuk says the following: they will prepare what they collect, and it will be double what they collect every day. Now, the order in the pasuk is sort of strange. It should have said the opposite. First, they collect double the amount, and then what they set aside for Shabbat, that they should prepare for Shabbat. In the pasuk, the order is the opposite. The pasuk says first they prepare for Shabbat, and then that it will be double what they collect every day. And why is the order the opposite of what we would expect? So I saw that in Pri Tzadik, which is a book by Reb Tzadok HaKohen Lublin, Pri Tzadik says the following idea. He says that the point of the pasuk is not that they will receive double the amount. When the pasuk says Vaya Mishneh, it really means Vaya Meshuneh. Meshuneh means that it will be different, it will be special. The food for Shabbat is special not just simply in the amount of food, but it's not the quantity, it's the quality. And the quality, not in terms of simply the regular taste or smell of the food, it's the quality in terms of the kedusha. The food of Shabbat has a special taste or special aroma, not because of what we put in it physically, but because of the intention that we have when we prepare it. Preparing the food for Shabbat is what makes it special in terms of kedusha. So then the pasuk reads as follows: that on the sixth day they will prepare what they bring, and the preparation is to intend it for Shabbat, to make it for Shabbat. In other words, and that in a sense we bring kedusha into the food when we prepare it with the intention that it should be used on Shabbat. And therefore, that is what will make the food special. It will make the food holy, and we can even feel it in the taste and the smell of the food because we have that sensitivity that we can feel not only the quantity of the food or the physical quality of it, but we have the special sense, we're able to catch and to feel even the kedusha in the food. So we can take from this parasha the bracha that we should be zocheh both to prepare for Shabbat with the proper intention, and also that we will be zocheh on Shabbat itself to actually sense the kedusha in the food that we eat. Shabbat shalom.